Enti Bonohene abe clash with His Excellency the President John Mahama so far as Office of Government Machinery sika ya de bo mo ho ka felix fosu kwa achemo sika o man ni tabiri eni mo ka eye concern na face no enipa dodo sen ana for be part of the government machinery Ghana for epesi ewu na fe no media ne so a TikTokers no abedin komo achire Mahama hi Penyah block media meso say any dey mo obe like video no other ma subscribe button some click notification con latest update na ba chere wa adwen dey ma me e wo comment section so ba so a no share for so anya bia hwe you know I am a man of fact, and may God forbid that I will sit on this big platform with wide audience and lie. I will never do that. May God forbid that I, Penyah Enoch, will sit on my platform and lie about the NDC government, saying things that are not true, saying untrue things about them. I will never do that. I will use the available data, the authentic information available. I will use it to expose the government. You know, Obekaya, yet you come here, and I could for a memu. Nany pada be Dawson, or no person or your father for all, 18% or at least, or team and many probably be near you won't come board MP partner, or to be argument, because of that, oh Lord, nipa in his government machinery, the ministers no more Dawson pa 125 as I say. Emma that na Ghana for ye dede egu for mu doso ye roman sika nyina dem omudie taxpayers are crying ye roman sika mu omudi twabi free mu yibi adi krefrata pamo no pamo ni pass masi ye we dede sa but ye hwa de bi wo hanom ye kwa government machinery money allocation e ye kan money allocation a e ye sika oban no aban se aban ni twa to ho e de bo ne machinery hoka ye kan machinery a omo no ba omo appointment ministers deputy ministers what I say presidential staffers MMDs yes sankofo no omo na from government machinery because omo ana ebu man no omo na ban ne do omo bu man the president no edu omo bu man ministers na that omo na ye adwuma na nkasa nye MP for no because omo na ye do mato every sector of this economy of this country omo na do mato to anu say omo hwe emampuntu emrantu omo na ye adwuma at large enye MP for eye government machinery for no na eye adwuma at large na ya hwe 2023 me for an question we 2023 abi 2023 Akufo-Addo sika was spending here on his government machine, and this information is available on the Ministry of Finance or omu website. Now you can see any omu logo na da hono no Ministry of Finance. I wouldn't lie. 2023 government machinery obo no bebre so osha grant total na 1.4 billion new Ghana cedis. 1.4 billion enya odo billion new Ghana cedis. The okotitis kanimwa government is spending 14 trillion in 2023. And about 2024 no nyame anim nukure nie 2024 no national community and obi anim say MPP be kofi and for sure na go for 8 years awie it will be anim say Ghana hamre mo no 8 years Ghana enya mre ba say Ghana be ye no 8 years be as a party it na abe tradition ana na MPP hu abe ye hi edu tiem command no montre so a no bia anim say MPP be kofi 8% na anim say accountant bia ni ho a ana say general manager bia ni ho a ne boss e kama ne te say bosumi we mi tue nipa we ka meyi na di the moment our boss be come what no so far ho adwene so our boss e mistake e kama what say bosumi we ye wo mi akwa we mi tue ni ka meyi na di me pam no me kwa go fe ni ba wo fra say nipa no ote a ofa no ho adwene ofa ho adwene say che we say opekwa bia so awie sika say bia ne boss ne pam na okotena fie won say okay sika bit ma hwembe boss me miensa till say menya adwuma aye edan Ghana for na moya boss no mo man pi for hunu say mo be pam wo mu edom de for mo ho adwene edu we the year 2024 na office of the government machinery sika e de kobo mo ho ka e ko soro na ye 2.7 billion new Ghana cedis kano 27 trillion eno okay mame because say Ghana for no mo ma omo hu say mo be pam wo mu Ejani almost wepa kwan bia so afọ mu ho adwene. Ebe tabiri sika akwatena fie akodi. Edan kwa de eye normal. Okura nka abeye eye normal. Ye to be wi Mahama we na ye. And was oh. Ekufora be di yawu. Because the Ghana for amon hwe 2023 14 trillion wa. And the man nko ofo di ye. Omo manika. 2024 27 trillion. Eka suru eti medwene mo ho. Me fa nipa 60 pe together with the deputy 60. And over for me lean government. That encompasses 60 ministers, any cabinet, any deputy, 60 ministers. And my Ghana for budget, so yeah. That will be a air train. 2025, anyone say auto forcing, I will read the budget, it will make more. You got here, the year of 2025, no, Office of the Government Machinery. That time, when you nipa be omanya appointment to suobi. But the year 2025, May more to force with the budget. You call government machinery hono mo a fellas ofozu kwa achima kache. Sika auto force etwa ye. Ese ye mfoma wo mu ni emo mu ho akonhoma. The year 2025 ne ko hwemu na eye 4 billion new Ghana cedis. 4 billion new Ghana cedis. O de kwati sika ni mu a 40 trillion. Na say ene ku for the 2 years eye pe. 1 year no auto force is spending 40 trillion on government machinery. A new pause of forming lean government. Me can this as one am menka. Cause any for the throne na dying in some hunu enebu man am menka. Uso be di o man na will be bo man na bro. Me ba beche Ghana for. Wa se nipa beberebe. Me mete so me fa kitua bi. O be fa kitua bi o fa kitua bi oni pa ni so. But sika wo di bo mu ho ka no. E boro do no fa beberebe. Nyansa be ni wom. And this information is widely available. This information is widely available on the Ministry of Foreign Affairs website. 2025 budget, money allocation, any way. 2025 any subtotal grand total. Sika na hano no. Any sika ni grand total any 4 billion 44 million new Ghana cedis. And you know, you got 2026 budget to read in 2025 November ni muna. They were so smart. Omo say 2025 omo the government machine we buy na Ghana for ye dede no. Omo ya smart. 2026 budget to read here no. They never mentioned any figure for the government machine. Omo to sika bi edini. They never mentioned any amount. And to read here. May I research on Google say can pay the exact amount to spend here. Google tell me say based on the 2026 budget statement and economic policy presented on November 13, 2025, the government outlined allocation focusing on infrastructure and big push initiative. In over down, Office of Government Machinery, that is OGM and public sector, while specific figure for the OGM in 2026 budget were not detailed. The 2026 budget includes a 9% salary increment for all public sector workers under the single span salary structure SSS. What I say? 2025 budget, no, they mentioned 4 billion Ghana cedis, but 2026 they never mentioned any amount for the government machine. They never mentioned specifically any amount. They never mentioned. And no, Nancy and Okote say, according to Friends of Ozuquachi, Okochiremu say. Nipa kura Mahama paki wo mu pa gu no office wo de enye nipa kuma na eno ana Bonohene ebu say then what is the essence of the lean government na wo ka say odeba no.
John Mahama promising Ghana for say the leanest government abaye ye kuma kakra bi hanya banya etra sanebaya obenya sika niya save sika so man niya to make progress. Bisa John Mahama, do you have deputy regional ministers?
Hey, President Mahama.
You are deputy regional ministers.
Hey, you're Mahama.
Mantam Dunsiani, you know, your mother, Mantam Swafa Bedi. And because John Mahama is a con man, Yanem, ya.
The Canada, the whole, sir,
Sir, Obia General for my name, Yao.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Nipa no ukunu kura wo hu.
Even is foolishness, it is foolishness.
Wo wia na wo hu.
Omo de oma bon na ye kasa omo ntem.
Wo za nipa na wo hu. Because adwen no wo fam.
Wey boy.
John Mahama ye nipa otimi kwagina sadan yeyi wa ye na mi e gbawa e na wa oboa.
Wa she.
Oye trekese.
Hey, President Mahama.
Wo kasa ti se nipa wo ma Yesu aba ne.
Hey, President Mahama.
Hey, wo boa.
Hey, President Mahama.
Na mantam bia no yesi enya political aid to the regional minister.
Hey,
Political aid kyerɛ sɛn.
hey,
Regional organizers. Any am almost appointment no. Bisa mampai John Mahama ne sɛ adwuma ban ana saa political aids no ɔmo kɔyɛ wɔ mantam num. Why sika na edi twa ɔmo ka? Their staffers. Ye flow bi ayi staffer what is a deputy minister. The deputy minister GB awo GB.
Jenia Kasa.
Yamane Land Cruiser, Ovenya Land Cruiser. They are friend V8 no.
Etumpan.
But some you 20,000 ya. Nipa na 20,000.
Etumpan.
But one person Ghana for be who na Ghana for be say hey Mahama ye trick is intino was oh media member deputy ministers MPP aban tia konwa so no mo issue deputy ministers na MPP aban wo bo Ghana ka enti media me de brofo bi aba e friend political aids for aids and aid.
Hey, President Mahama.
Are we serious?
Hey, President Mahama.
And some of them how
Hey.
na ye nyan crofobia ye from say arise Ghana o arise NDC o hopes na doye ne crofo
Wey boy.
no abegina US embassy say yeah we need Ken of Reata yan funny free US mra
Omo de oma bon na ye kasa omo ntem.
yes we here said nam
Omo de oma bon na ye kasa omo ntem.
mon funny mra
Ne ka na da hodo.
say Ghana da wakoma so a sansem hunu we wu ni akire
Ne ka na da hodo.
issues are the bread and butter baba Ghana the ordinary Ghanaian basic necessities baby ordinary beto atade a wo be sha aduane a wo be die ni ase enya rice Ghana for na hopes na toye akokra dwene wo tim na wo di akire a yese wo dwene Ghana ho
Omo de oma bon na ye kasa omo ntem.
niye mo pa anansuoma krama ansuoma baby bebre ukwa hey pipe ya tumu be 2 weeks 3 weeks bosome ensuo ne ma
hey,
ene wo baby bebre a planter ana machine a yade sori nsuo so no sabe machine nya djuma bio because nsuo no a machine so ne so no efie wom asem machine no
hey,
illegal mine
hey,
galamsey and this yaban pie na no catch Ghana for say wo ba wo be declare state of emergency until the former president Akufo-Addo papa baby a wo bia nyame nyokese omuso wo declare state of emergency
Kukurudu.
na nyame onye na de kwa wo
hey,
enti akwakubu ahen wanya position bia no
hey, na,
oye nkwasi adwuma
Ye kan we aso be reset oman.
wanya adwuma da Ghana koma so
hey, na,
wanwene ne maame ne papa ne yankyirima ho
Ye kan we aso be reset oman.
nti andi siba no mse hey yeduwa yenkwasi adwuma no my ne deputy ambassador hey Kroben Kron Cretan Spain was Italy
hey,
I'm friend am so offer
Wa
no mo de amount
wey
send your staff akra ke
boy. Wey.
papa we ne 20 obin meboa or the same 20 obin no mo ne nam galamsey site ye de ebe motu mo be illegal mining mo be galamsey mo nto abama NDC na yensuo sei national concern yentimi nkasa ho
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
but yetimi be gina US embassy enimu bring Kenoforiata we want Kenoforiata
Ye kan we aso be reset oman. Wey
you want sabi uni no say
wey
because you're not serious
Ne ka na da hodo.
Ghana na wakoma so
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness.
Your selfish and parochial interest.
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness. And yet, did you?
Now you know Cromwell and Crawford Mujina Koto. So much the Ghana Sika, as some more Koto, a Gusua, Yaka, Yankabi Shemu, Yanyi Bin Frimu, Yatwa Baby, Ye cases in free court.
The Canada, that
BOG governor, Dr. Siama, no court.
the Canada, that
Opening, no court. Quadrado for no court. Said Wagongo, no court. Omo former chairman, or suffer for su, no court. Yenya Attorney General will come her, Dominica Yene. Mani Kasa, when the interest will case in Mubio.
Way.
Neskabe Nengiska.
Way. Boy.
Okoma Kolako Kraba, Opavia 1 city. She a besho, we 100 million, Sunny Babu.
the Canada, that but I mean, so.
Once a backer, Ojulo, hey, Nasaran Craft of Freno, Ojulo, hey, ye Missaska, where we are, your boo.
Hey.
And ye Taku, I have some poor, ye besho.
My good, the whole clear.
The sound Crofonisika, no money in here. Then to me, Kasa, we want a Ovuswampofo. We want Opuni. We want a Siama. We want Quadrado for. We want Sedu Agongo. But yet, we can say we want Kenufriata.
Oma bona ye kasa omunte no.
Na nipa bebrebe we. Omu nyina ekọ. Wo se ba ku we na mi kodi na chi eja ma me mo nyina ayira wabodam.
Washe.
I think on this point he has misbehaved. If it is foolishness, it is foolishness. And yet, did you?
Agora facha me. Mo fancha me. Masoma kunya mpreko pe mo fancha me. But somebody bo ha yana sa obie microphone abeka san somebody wa wo ti agana ya na ye ho emobọ.
Say ya wo te ba na bi ni mpansa.
And woman kuma ni asom kiti will be a yakokwa ni adene konsawam yamane 5 years yamane 10 years and then ya wakonum wheat yadena 5 years yadena 10 years and then you ready ni fie ye huwi se guha wo bia di wo mane Ghana sika wo gina koto ye jano
Chenia kasa etumpan.
because bracket na wo mu no the political bracket.
Okay, we know also want to say there. I want a headache.
Because then what damno a political building. Ataria sanono a political suit.
107.3.
Pono no.
Hey, we are crazy. Yes, yes,
No credit decline.
Anya bra mampayin na do tia kunwa so John Mahama ni andi sifo ya ne ba bonten be ka say or appoint a judge for do wo Supreme Court. Mampayin John Mahama baye a judge for appoint to from the appeals court, from the Supreme Court to the High Court to magistrate nipa over 100.
Etumpan chenia kasa.
Ni interest ye den.
Hey, Yera Mahama.
Akwaba samu kruma.
Hey.
Now come dance of winning some Ghana for the catcher Mahama.
Yes, sir. And the man must say is from where when yano. And the man that's what time and any man boating. A born sign that's what here. It is always on me who say, and the man from and maybe a man from Bibia boarding, Coco Cry, free, 7 CD, SCD, and not go hand there, chamber horror, 1,005. Light, make light, be an essay. You how many percentage that you atom. What light, we told light 200 CDs here, light 200 CDs here, and 2 weeks light keke and so you say and to be any from and your more thing and my chairman will be a fan one young fan my
and okay to do and mine cano but oh Ghana and that's what to about your man and this abaya obakase or casado obakase o countro obakase on pay this abaya no asem and so pay John Mahama nasem and okay to do because ordinary Ghanaian to 7 minika am the trot on the bedroom o see atifo so ntimi money aban so en favor me en come me you understand because trot na me fa no case gana me twa and when me twa enti fo na ya teto so no e fa so ben na menya free so nya me tie we dey me twa la do light bill no na menya free e fa so free aban so ba light bill no ya tutum water bill and the Kenyan for Sweden free abano. But what happened is Yatutum. It was a money abano to say Yadina, Abana Yan Tibida, and I will be that our Ghana Hanum. Mimisa. The next for the coronavirus. Or the Ocha Ladbo, a mile. Crown, now you boom so to be bad. Yes, in the hay. Yet the dinner term. So I no be about to light boom, or be about to water boom. What's the money so? Go so what $10 so, go so what $4 so. Now for maybe Yusuka. Ordinary get Omo Yusukano, and Omo Yusuka or Ganano. You beside him for a dozen. Omo Yusuka the dozen, a 2 yard. Now the way not to home, no, oh, yeah, Manafiba, Obia or from, and Sabi, on Yusuka, and that's all you should be bizarre. Make kind of cratchamo, like go yadia, or be a shabby or Ghana. Like go, or be a shabby or Ghana. Did you also be the room? But what about the Metamaka water dear? Eddie will be our 2 well, and our 2 Buddha only feed, and to only water about to Quanta my day, my pie. But like go, dear. Uchi mutane betene eye public light bill enti bibi sa e na o se yetete so nemom anyafo na nipa no population no nipa keto bi na wisu ka no e na akwatete so amana fa ba nipa bi na dodo na o mu wisu ka de omukọ oseyem na wi obaga se me monye aban to go so aban no aya de and no man can see ya na ku for na MPP aban eye no man can see omu ya dia yenka kan bi omu ya dia o na MPP aban omu ya dia yenka and Ghana for G2 midi free omusem the John Mahama na dis aban wa ba the same thing now apply ultimate can't tell me say me money so money my day because of say what it for so abra minika abra so me fruit trotro de metua abra me kwa bontenam koto aduane a emo de etimam na etimam abra diapers the boy no more kwa na kwosoro first awake na ku for person awake na 4 cities the same look say enso awake 5 cities into part say me money aban so abra no makoso kwa na kwosoro e fandodo no ana say e faketoa no na e favor omu di paketoa bi na e favor omu na mo nye ni padodo no nti faso na wo so no ase ne say koko kwiafo ye mama kwiafo na atom koko dia magana aban onti omuka no wo se me monje aban to go dollar from me metiam dollar se botum wo se me monje aban to go for eko for me metiam oka uri ya obeka se maame na okasa no oye kumasi ni oye asantini ana papa ni asantini enti na okasa asem me ka che wasante kasa no ana twi kasa no one popular language Ghana ha nti obi atimi ka bi ba enyansasam this a wow sabi wa adwe na to so wo nim nyansa na bakasa ade na man dey ka no wrong into the tribal in befom man you some tribalism we kumasi ni we asantini nti na wo pa bi ye no mo de sa tribalism na start Ghana ha ni be hyiam ye be hwudi no de jato wo de gbagbogbogbo a e be wo so free voter ye hwudi na wo ya tenga ye be wo so free bolgatanga ye hwudi na wo de hwan e be wo so free tamale ye dudi e be kan de si wo tribe no mo me nya politics wo nyansem mo me nya politics a ho da o mo me nka no kure obi ya de na nya o se criticize mo me nya tribalism no abani ya de na ya obeka no aka obeka criticize obetuma criticize no nyame boa ye kwa koto about 31st entina ndi saba no ya ye kom dia ma no no nyambo ne ye kandi ni wi a mudi si e besi mudi wa e be wo ye koyi kandi ni entina wata be ko so yenka no ye koyi ye leader entina lado yenka wasam ye koyi ye leader entina kokko akua fo sika yenka wasam ye koyi ye leader enu entina LGBTQ wa mode ewura nkwa ne srabusu no yenka wasam no nyame boa 31st no kwa wi ye na bibia to di nye ye kandi ni ewia when I'm born, say Oduku, check. They say they more enjoy till 31st. More enjoy in this about, more enjoy. Obianka Masam, Obianka Masam. You are the most Oduku, check.
Chirajo mame ewa comment section. Hi Penyah Block Media.